Very good afternoon. This is Dinakaran J, working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering. Today I am going to discuss about the subject drone technologies. This subject comes for the Department of Mechanical, Mechatronics and Robotics and Automation in the Regulation 2021. Today I am going to discuss about the standardizations in drone license. So as far as the drone license is concerned, so under the drone rules in 2021 regulations, so the operating drones, a drone in India requires licensing from the DGCA, that is Directorate General of Civil Aviation. So without the licensing, they cannot able to fly the drones in the standardized manner via digital Skype platform. So licensing involves passing a certified training program, so ensuring drone type certifications and securing a remote pilot certificate, that is RPC certificate. It is mandatory for the crews who are operating the drones. Coming to the process of registering drone, first thing is to account and profile creations, and after that the account and profile creations, you have to submit the application for the purpose of verification process. So after the verification process, you will get the grant UAN number. So this is the method of registering the drone license. So future drone technologies and trends. So normally for licensing requirements, the classifications based drones are there. First here nano drones, the exempt from the type certification, unique identification number is enough for this type of drones, which is 250 grams of weight. Drones is nano drones. So and for the remote pilot license requirements for non-commercial use. And the next one is the micro, that is 250 grams to 2 kg. So here no pilot license required for non-commercial use. So commercial use requires the RPC certificate, that is a remote pilot certificate is needed for micro level drones. So that is a 250 grams to 2 kg. For commercial usage, we need the RPC certificate. And coming to small to large is greater than 2 kg. So always requires remote pilot certificate more than 2 kg weight load of the drones. We need the RPC certificate and unique identification number, that is a UAN for all operations. And last one is a collision avoidance. This is a autonomous system designed to detect and avoid other aircraft building and obstacles. Continuing in the standardized training, the proper training for operators. So we must give proper training for operators. So focusing on that, situational awareness and risk mitigation is increasingly important for safe operations. The safety risk and challenges, we have collision risk, privacy concerns, and regulatory gaps. So collision risk, increased air tariff poses high risks of accidents with aircraft and buildings. In the case of safety risk purposes, and privacy concerns, drones with cameras raise significant data privacy issues. And regulatory gaps, The technology is advancing faster than the regulations intended to manage them. So these are all the safety risks and challenges. So the safety risk guidelines to fly. So flying safely involves mitigations risk such as turbulence, human error, and medical issues through preparation and adherence to protocols. So here the key guidelines is include for keeping seat belts fastened, following through instructions, reviewing safety cards, and staying hydrated to avoid fatigue. Key safety risk is aviation, turbulence, unexpected violent air movements can cause injuries. So human errors and fatigue stress or lack of knowledge from pilots or passengers. So medical emergencies like in-flight health issues often due to altitude changes and the weather conditions, severe unexpected weather affecting flights operations and drone interference like unauthorized drones, flights near airports and restricted drones. And coming to the specific aviation regulation in India are primarily governed by the Aircraft Act 1934 and the aircraft rules in 1937 which established the legal framework for safety, airworthiness and licensing. So this is certified by the Director General of Aviation's overseas compliances issues issuing civil aviation requirements through the ICAO standards. So flight operation and licensing as per the detailed we have discussed in flight time limitations through the clear the flight crew logbooks and that is remote pilot certifications are required for licensing the and operating the drones. Thank you for watching this video.